Did you know that you can pasteurize your own eggs using an immersion circulator in the sous vide method? It's true, and it's so easy. So what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna want to go ahead and remove the egg yolks from your eggs. Save that for custard. We're gonna put our egg whites inside the mason jar. We're gonna seal the lid very tightly so that no water gets in. And then we're gonna set our immersion circulator to 140 and push go. Next, we're just going to drop our eggs right down inside. And your jar may float, that's totally okay. But what we're gonna wanna do now is let this sit in here for 1 hour. All right, time's up. Let's get it out of the water and get it opened up. And you've got pasteurized eggs. That's pretty easy, right?